Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use statuses in Kladana. Statuses help to manage and monitor life cycle of a transaction. You can configure status values for each type of transactions. You can change values of statuses manually or via workflows. Also, the change in statuses can initiate the workflow. By default, statuses are set up for sales orders. You can see statuses for each sales order in the list. Let's open one sales order and then go to statuses and press setup. Here you can see values. You can select the status by clicking on the arrow. You can also delete the status or create new ones by clicking on plus status tab. Statuses in sales orders can be regular with successful ends and with negative ends. When successful and negative ends are determined and you mark orders with statuses, then in the sales funnel report, you will see the picture of your funnel for the chosen period. For the other types of transaction, you need to set up values for statuses from the scratch. I will show you how to do this in shipments. Let's imagine that in our processes, we monitor two states of shipment. First, prepared for shipment. It means the warehouse team prepare goods for shipment and the packages are waiting to be transferred to the delivery company. Shipped, when the goods are shipped. Let's create two statuses and choose different colors for them. First, prepared for shipments. Second, shipped. And choose a color for that. Save the statuses. Pay attention. After statuses are configured, new transactions will be created with filled status. First one from the list. After value statuses are created, I can start using them in transaction. For example, I set up for the shipment in progress status. And in the other transaction, I change the status to shipped. For some types of transactions, statuses are not shown in the list, but you can filter transaction with specific status values using filter. For example, for shipment, I want to filter all shipments that are prepared but still not dispatched to monitor the list of such shipments. In the filter tab, I find the status field prepared for shipments and click on find. Also, I save the filter results as a bookmark. Statuses are usually helped in workflows that help to speed up the process and set up rules for transaction flow. For example, I want to set up such a process when a sales order gets approved status, a shipment should be created automatically. For that, I need to create a workflow. In the upper right corner, press the user icon and choose settings. In the settings, find workflows. Press plus workflow button. Fill in the name of flow. Auto-generate shipment when order status is approved. And in the block when to start, choose the object, sales order. In the event, choose status changed, status approved. In the block what should be done, choose add related transactions, type shipment, and save the workflow. Now let's go back to sales order and open the sales order 21 and change the status from new to approved. Now you can see in related transactions or in the list that shipment was created automatically. That's all about statuses. Some useful links you can find in the description below. Put your likes and subscribe to our channel to get notifications about new videos.